this point, it's inevitable. A foldable phone launches and there's going to be controversy. Samsung touts the Z Flip as the first phone with bendable glass, but there's been a lot of questions about its durability. Now we have some answers. Teardown firm iFixit took the Z Flip apart and found that yes, there is a tiny layer of glass in the display, but on top of it is a protective plastic film, which kind of defeats the purpose of making it more durable.
I don't get why. What's the big deal? Or why are people so mad that there's plastic on this?
So for one, they touted this as the as an industry first glass display. People want a foldable glass because it's more durable. It's less prone to scratching. It's a lot more durable than your plastic screen, your standard plastic screen. So what they did was they did kind of have a glass display, but it's so thin that it's kind of useless in terms of durability. Like you could poke a hole right through it. At least that's what iFixit found. And then adding a plastic layer on that is kind of a cheat because it just sort of, again, if you're going to tout the durability of glass, but then you put a scratch-prone plastic layer on top of it,
yeah, but
kind of defeats the purpose.
Who cares about durability on a foldable phone? I mean, these are just like what, like $5,000 phones? Like, why would it need to last a long time?
Exactly. You're spending $1,300 plus on one of these phones, and yeah, you expect a scratch there, and that's kind of a bummer.
I mean, I'm also just like, if anyone's buying a durable, like a foldable phone at this point, like if they're expecting it to be durable, maybe watch some of the CNET coverage that we've had.
I mean, that's exactly it. I think the point is, last year we saw with the Galaxy Fold, a lot of folks shaken in terms of their confidence in foldable phones. You know, there was already a lot of questions about how durable these things were going to be, whether they would withstand the test of time, and then the Fold kind of confirmed a lot of people's concerns, and now it's happening again, right? The Razer just had their own issue. Input reported that their phone had broken, or the screen had broken with the Razer, and now we're seeing this with the Z Flip. So it's not, if you've got the money and you're affluent, you want to buy this crazy flashy price like device, like having them actually kind of break down, or the risk of breaking down or be prone to scratches. I mean, it kind of dents the idea of like having a foldable phone.
I mean, I feel like if you're rich and you can afford these, this is just like an extra stunt, though. Like if it's like, oh, this broke, I don't care. I'm rich. I can buy 50 of them.
And rich people are notoriously cheap. So if they spent $5,000 a phone or $1,300 on this budget foldable phone, and it either scratches or breaks, I'd still be pissed.
Yeah, it's a baller move.
It is. It's definitely a baller move.